Hey, I'm Paul. In this demo, I'll walk through how to easily manage YouTube bonus payouts, automatically pulling in stats, calculating payouts on a CPM basis, and finally creating payouts for approval. This makes it really easy to reward creators for performance without adding a bunch of ops overhead. For this demo, Wix, a popular no-code website building app, is partnering with YouTubers. They give a $10 CPM bonus for views, and I added some logic to only pay out when a bonus hits the $10 mark, so for every 1,000 incremental views from the last payout. All of this is going to run automatically, the performance tracking in the database up top and the payouts added below. I added a manual step for the user to review payouts and check this box to send payouts to Lumanu. Now let's jump over to the workflow and I'll show you how it all works. So every Sunday night, the workflow up top runs, but let's run it manually now. It goes through each video in our tracker, pulls the updated stats from YouTube, and updates our campaign tracker. Right? Again, I'm using Notion, but this can be used for Airtable, ClickUp, Google Sheets, really any tool. Then it's going to go through and calculate the incremental views each video got since the last payout, compute that payout amount. If it's more than $10, it's going to create a new bonus payout line for us in our campaign tracker. My workflow ran Sunday night, so I can come in Monday and see performance stats from all the videos and the bonus payouts we're going to send. So when a user goes through and clicks send payouts to Lumanu, they're done, and the second workflow is going to run Tuesday night. All right, so it's time to create the payouts. Every Tuesday night, this workflow is going to look at my campaign tracker, see which ones have been marked to process for payouts. It's going to run. And after it runs, it's then going to update each line saying those payouts were sent so we don't send duplicate payouts through the workflow. And now all of my approved payouts have been sent to Lumanu. For vendors without an existing Lumanu account, Lumanu is going to handle the rest. Vendor onboarding, compliance, and tax filing at the end of the year. For these payouts, right, you can see that they're due 30 days from today. So what I can do is select them all. I can schedule my payouts to pay out those vendors on the due date, net 30, or I can go through and choose to pay these folks out in advance. So pay them out now, and I could pay from my balance, or I can have Lumanu send me a consolidated line item invoice for my finance team to pay. A quick recap. In this demo, we showed how to automatically pull in social stats. We did YouTube. You could easily build the same sort of workflow for Instagram, LinkedIn, or TikTok. How to update your CRM or tracking tools. We use Notion. You could plug it into any tool you use, and then set up payouts to compensate your partners. And I, of course, use Lumanu.